Well, right now we have two Bollywood's young heartthrob, very good-looking and beautiful young heartthrobs of Bollywood, Jackie Bhagnani and Neha Sharma, exclusively on Bollywood Now. Welcome to Bollywood Now and congratulations for Youngistan.
First of all, thank you for calling us beautiful and cute. Did he say? Hot?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You guys made a really good and hot couple.
That's
Thank
awesome.
you so much. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Okay, congratulations for Youngistan and how
Thank
does
you
it
again. Honestly, Youngistan is one of the films that I'm very close to. It's very close to my heart. It's a fantastic film.
Right.
Very earnest, approach from all of us. You know, it's a young team making this film. So I'm very happy that a film like this has been made. So I'm very, very excited about it.
Okay, how does it feel to date such a hot Prime Minister in the film?
It feels lovely. I feel proud of myself.
Okay. Jackie, how was the experience?
It was really good. To play a prime minister, and I'm getting to play such a role at such a young age. It's all thanks to Afzal and the brilliance in his writing, and the current turmoil, the political turmoil going on in our country. So it all favors us, and at the same time, you've never seen a prime minister's love story, and a prime minister having such a hot girlfriend. So I think it was super playing the role I was playing.
Right, since we have seen in the promos, is it somewhere matching up to the Rahul Gandhi scenario of the country?
You know, honestly, Rahul Gandhi is very cute looking, and Jackie
He's not.
looks cute as well. I was just gonna finish that.
Okay.
So that's the reason why people are getting the twos together. But I don't think is it related.
No, it's not. It's not. We are not supporting any apolitical person or political party. Obviously, he's the youngest guy running for PM, and I am, doing this at this age. So that's the comparison. Plus, somewhere people feel I, look similar to him.
Right.
Maybe because of that, but I don't think there's any other resemblance.
Okay, since co-actors always tend to fall in love on the sets.
Really?
Always.
Always, I mean, in most of the cases, yeah. So, does something happen between you guys, since you guys are single, as far as my knowledge?
Will something happen or will something happen?
I mean, on the sets, I mean, it's something spark, it's something going between you guys because...
I know you want to hear that. But we're
Exactly, because you guys are single and Valentine's is just around the corner.
both. Yeah, I wish, but honestly, we're very professional in terms of work, and I think all actors tend to do the switch on, switch off thing. When you're on set, it's always switch on.
And plus, I'm not her type. I'm
Yeah,
too
we
tall
don't
for
have-
her. She doesn't like tall guys.
We don't have too many things in common.
Yeah.
Which kind of guy you're searching for this Valentine's? Is Jackie is not compatible to you?
I don't like
How rude
Jackie.
is that,
Yeah.
Neha? That's so rude of you, Neha.
That's okay. That's okay.
Okay.
What kind of guy I want? I want someone who is madly in love with me and
Okay.
someone who could make me laugh a lot. I love men who are funny.
Okay.
So those two things. And someone who's humble, someone who
become like a halo while you say that.
Oh, God.
someone who cares for me. Like
Okay.
the list is really long.
So the list is going on.
Going on and on.
I was thrown out
It's
of
a
the
big
list in the
thumbs down.
first two
Yes.
things only.
It's a big thumbs down on Jackie,
Yeah.
right?
Sorry.
So what do you think, Jackie? Is Neha a compatible girl for you?
I'm listening. What's your words, honey?
No,
tit for tat.
she's pretty looking, but
And
the kind of guy she's looking for, I don't fit into that bracket, and
you playing safe.
like how she doesn't like tall men, I only like tall girls,
Okay.
and so I think we can be great friends.
Yeah.
Right.
I don't think so.
No?
No.
Okay.
I don't like him.
Well, he's not that rude also. He got a very nice gift for you for Valentine's.
Really?
wanna see
I'm
that?
surprised.
Even I didn't know that. Show me.
Is it? He got a very nice bouquet for
God.
you.
Really?
He told me not to tell you. So he's like such
I
a...
forgot of myself.
See, he's such a nice guy. He got a bouquet for you.
He's a very nice guy.
See that these Star Trek.
I had a lot of
these
fun.
Star
At least... Yeah, so you bought for her. Give it to her.
Can I have my bouquet?
Exactly. Yay! Wow, such a nice moment. Such an awe moment.
Yeah.
Okay.
He doesn't do very sweet things very often, so
Right. Okay.
it's okay.
Accepted.
I'm happy.
Exactly. Impressed. Girl is impressed. Okay, whom do you think is the most eligible bachelor in the Bollywood industry? Well, now that's a tough
Oh,
one.
yeah, give me some options. I think everybody's taken, isn't it?
Ranveer, Varun, Siddharth, Sushant, all the new kids on the block. Jackie's out
I
of
don't
course.
like kids, so
I'm
I
out,
don't.
obviously. No, she's written me
What
off.
did you say?
I
You
don't like kids. No. I want a man.
All men are married. Only the kids are left. And you have all, and you have already missed down on Jackie. So
Yeah, I am
No
also
chance.
a kid. And after shaving, I'm even more a kid.
and such a hot kid like a prime minister in 28.
Yeah.
So you're taking too much time.
I can't.
Any one eligible bachelor in Bollywood, yeah.
Salman Khan.
What do you think? Who's the eligible spinster in Bollywood?
There are lots of them, yeah.
Deepika.
Yeah, there are lots of them. Katrina is really pretty looking. Deepika.
You want to take on date with?
I want to take Megan Fox, you know.
I'm talking about Bollywood.
Bollywood.
High hopes.
I find Katrina very good looking.
Whom you think is the most eligible couple in Bollywood? According to you?
Eligible couple as in?
As in the married
Cutest couple?
The cutest couple, or I mean, which is synonym to Valentine.
Seth and Karina, because I like how Seth's expressing his love with the, Karina tattoo and stuff. I like that. I love the fact that someone can express their love.
Right.
So Seth and Karina, can't think of anybody else.
Okay, and what do you think, Jackie?
I would say Abhishek and Aishwarya.
Okay.
I think they're really cute together.
Okay.
And, I've seen them off screen also, and I think they make a great couple.
Right. Since Valentine's is around the corner, you guys are single, I heard, right? So this is the biggest tragedy in your life.
I'm very happy, honestly. I'm very happy because if you're with someone, there's too much expectation, too much pressure. I want this, I want that. What do I do? Does this happen right and all? So I'm gonna pamper myself because Valentine's Day is about loving someone. I love myself, so I want to love myself a little bit more. I'm gonna celebrate with my family, so I'm very happy, actually.
Right, that is also a love, family love.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, a lot of rumors we have heard about you dating a lot of people behind. Yeah.
Really?
I don't want to name them, but yeah, I mean, from Pariniti to Dia to Vishali to a lot of girls. See his face, he's blushing.
I didn't know this.
I got to know this morning.
Wow.
Dude, Dia
job.
Dia is like a very, very close friend of mine, and she's like a sister to me. So, that's stupid.
Okay, since you are single, so what are your plans? What is the relationship status this Valentine's?
I'm single, and
Are you sure?
I'm
Are
sure.
you sure?
Yeah, I'm very much sure.
Oh.
Oh, the PM is blushing.
Yeah. No. I'm
List is
very
very
much sure.
long, looks
No. On a serious note, I'm very much single, but I'll go out with my friends and family, and maybe I'll find someone in one of the nightclubs. Yeah.
Sahi jawab.
Okay, one message to all the lovebirds across the nation and one message to all those who want to see Youngistan. Why should they see the film?
Everybody who's in love and loves the idea of love should go watch Youngistan because it's a beautiful love story and we've worked really hard and it's a very new, novel, interesting film and I think every cinema goer who loves good cinema should go watch this film.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I agree with what Neha said, and to add that, as we say it's a common love story in an uncommon premise. That's because you've never seen a prime minister's love story, and what are the issues the prime minister goes through, all the sweet things, and he still sneaks out and takes his girlfriend out to, for example, have kulfi on the road. So it's nice. We'll make you laugh, and we'll say something really nice, which by the time you reach home, you'll be like, you know what? I wish we had a leader like this.
Thank you. It was really fun interview. Thank you for
Honestly,
talking
I
to
had
us.
a blast doing this interview.
Thank you so much.
You
Yeah,
were
God
too
bless
good.
you. Yeah.
Well, this was definitely a fun chat with Jackie and Neha in Mumbai with cameraman Puneet Rawat. This is Rohit Bhatnagar for Bollywood Now.
Hi, this is Neha Sharma and you're watching me on Bollywood Now. Keep watching.